Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2018 to 2025 Ford Expedition key fob. This key fob takes one CR2450 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So to swap the battery out in this key fob, we will be using a small flathead screwdriver, but the first thing we're going to do is remove the physical key. So to do this, we need to press this button and also pull on the physical key at the same time. So let's remove the physical key. Next, we need to take our flathead screwdriver and stick it in this slot right here. And you can just twist slightly and it should pop off. You can hear it snap. And then you can remove this back plate, which exposes our 2450 battery. Then we can just take the flathead screwdriver, stick it under the corner of the battery, and it should come out. We'll discard our old battery, get our new battery and place it in positive side facing up. Make sure it's seated in correctly. Then we can replace our back plate, putting this end of the plate in first, and then snapping it together. And then we can take our physical key and replace it. And we're finished. So hopefully this video helped you in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.